Today is Tuesday, April 6, 2021. I'm at the dike near the Blue Herron Nature Reserve, or I should say Great Blue Herron Nature Reserve. Here is a bald eagle. This is the cohabiting with blue herons. Usually we see over 100 blue herons nest, but I see lots of nests from last year, but I haven't seen many occupied nests. I'm checking around a little bit. There are quite a few nests around here. Seems to me most of them are empty, but I see some activity farther back. So there are some, but usually by April most of the nests should be occupied. Here is I can see some activities. Here is one, or I think two. One is in the nest, the other one is just beside there. There are swallows flying around. It's a beautiful day today, so it's nice. This bald eagle, they snatch, or he or they or snatch great blue herons babies once they hatched. Maybe I don't know how many babies they eat a day, but when you have over 100 great blue herons nest, snatching here and there shouldn't be too bad, but this year there are not so many nests. I don't know that actions eating great blue herons babies. I'm not sure what effect it will make. I'm a little bit worried about status of this colony after this year.